PNY RTX 5060 Review 2025 worth the upgrade or disappointing GPU? Most people get this wrong by assuming mid-range GPUs can't deliver solid performance. The surprising truth is that the PNY RTX 5060 offers excellent ERP and entry-level ERP gaming performance, but it's not a miracle upgrade. The card features the latest architecture, ray tracing support, and IaaS capabilities. You won't believe the smooth frame rates in modern titles at high settings. Users report consistent performance with minimal thermal throttling and quiet operation. Some limitations exist. High-end gaming is challenging, and the performance is moderate. The surprising truth is that for most gamers, this GPU provides a significant boost without the premium cost of top-tier cards. In conclusion, the PNY RTX 5060 is a legit upgrade for ERP and moderate ERP gaming. Most people get this wrong by overestimating mid-range cards, but for everyday gaming and content creation, it delivers excellent value.